Hey everyone, welcome to Minimal Diaries with her, where we love exploring more with minimal. That day, I had the whole house to myself. All I did was just warm the food up and serve them like a pro, and enjoyed every single bite of it. Sometimes, even in doing the simplest things by yourself is so comforting. What do you think? After my lunch was over, I decided to dive into my creative side. I didn't add any colors yet, but simply laying down those initial strokes felt magical. Can't wait to bring the sketches into life. The next day was the time for some celebrations. As our last written exams were finally over, and we decided to head straight to a restaurant named Jungle Safari. Starting from cascading waterfalls to every corner of it screamed adventure. Starting from Mowgli to each and every animals were watching over us. It was such an amazing experience. There was even a safari jeep at the entrance along with a Tarzan hanging down the roof. The food was amazing, but what truly made it special was the laughter, the memories, and the joy of being together. It was a day I'll cherish forever. This is how our day ended with a beautiful sunset. Life is all about these little joys, isn't it? If you love living more with minimal, then stay along with me. We'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, stay magical with minimal.